this video, I will show you how to make a stunning free icon logo in Canva just with your smartphone. Therefore, let's go to the screen of my phone. This is the home page of the Canva via my phone. In this video, I'm going to make use of two brand icon logo using Canva. Therefore, all you need to do, scroll to this side at your upper side of the home page of the Canva. Click on logo. This is the template. We're having different templates here, but in this case, I'm going to make use of the blank page. Therefore, I will need to click on it. This is a new page for the logo. Therefore, the first logo I'm going to make use of by making use of the icon of that very particular profession is that of the male grooming, fashion, or beauty website. Therefore, all I need to do, you go to the element. I want to use icon that has to do with the male grooming fashion. Therefore, I will need to look for male hairstyle. Then, the next thing, you click on graphics. You can see, then you can now select any of your choice. But I have a particular one that I want to make use of. Then I will need to go to the recent used one. Therefore, this is the exact one I want to make use of. Then I will need to click on this. I've used it previously. Then I will still need to go back to the element. I click on it. Then I will need to click on this. Okay. These are the icons I want to make use of that has to do with the male grooming fashion. Therefore, all I need to do, I will bring this here. Then I will make it smaller by, dragging it inwardly. Then the same thing with this. I will need to do the same thing to this. I want to see if they are of the same size. Okay. Now I'm okay with it. The next thing I will need to insert the text on the icon. Then I click on T at the bottom here. Then I click on add a heading. Then I will need to type clean. Okay. Then another thing I want to ship in, if probably you go to your element, I discover that probably the icon you have chosen is another color. All you need to do, you need to change the color. Let me give a sample of what I'm saying. Let me click on element. Okay, let me click on this. Now look at it. If I want to change the color, then I can now go from here. I click on the brown. Then I can now change it to black. It depends. So that is how to go about this. Then let me go back to what I'm doing. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I will bring this here. Then I will need to change the font of this to Anton. Okay, I click on Anton. Then I will need to reduce the size. Okay, I will come to the font size here. I want to reduce it to 30. Okay, let me fix it for 30. Okay, I'm okay with it. Then I will need to fix it here. But before then, I will need to duplicate this. Let me click on it. I duplicate. Okay, I bring this here. Then this, I will need to change the color. I will need to come to the bottom here. I click on it. Then I will choose red. Then I want the red to be darker a little bit. I will click on the color palette here. Then I will now need to work on it. Okay, I'm okay with it. Then this very particular word, the clean, I want to replace the L that we're having there with a clipper. Therefore, we need to click on elements. Then on your search elements, you can type clippers, but I've made use of it previously. Then I will need to click on this. Then I will need to bring it here. Then you come to the bottom here, click on flip. Click on flip, horizontal, then make it smaller. Okay. Then I will come to where we're having the clean. I will need to erase the L. I give it space, another space, then the clean. I will need to bring it here. Then this clean here, I will change it to cut. Okay. Then I will bring it here. Then the next thing, I will need to change the font. Then I click on it. Then I will need to change it to aerospace bold. Then I will type aerospace bold. Okay. Then I will need to click on this. This is it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to come to the bottom here. I click on color. Then I will need to click on green. Then the green, I want to work on it. Then I want it to be darker. Okay. Then this is it. Okay. The font size, I will need to increase it to 40. Then the clipper, I will need to bring it here. Okay. Let me make it smaller and fix it here. Okay. I'm okay with it this way. Then this is it. Then I will use nudge. I click on it. I will need to use the nudge to arrange it by bringing it down a little bit. Okay. It's okay this way. Then I click on cut. I will come to the nudge as well. I want it this way. Okay. This is the way I want it. Therefore, this is the first logo I'll be making on male grooming, fashion or beauty website. I'll be moving to the second one. This is the second logo I will be making with icons. Therefore, this very particular logo will center on paint company, or let me say a paint company website, or a painter who is struggling to make his logo. Therefore, this is what you are going to do. You click on the elements. Then on the search element, you type paint roller. Then you search for it. These are different types of paint roller. Then you click on graphics. This is it. This exact one I want to make use of, but it has to do with pro fashion. Therefore, the paint roller I want to make use of, I've already downloaded it on my browser and I've uploaded it. I will need to click on upload. Then I will need to click on this very particular one. This is the exact one I want to make use of. I will click on it. This is it. Then I will need to rotate it by stretching it. I want to remove the background. I will need to click on effect to remove the background. But in the case whereby you are not using the pro version of the Canva, go to your browser, then you type in remove background. Then from there you remove the background of the picture. I will need to click on effect. Then I will click on BG remover to remove the background of the picture. This is it. The background has been removed. Then I will need to bring it here. Then I will make it smaller a little bit by bringing it here. Okay. Then the next thing, I will need to come to the bottom here. I will click on effect. I want to change the color. Then I will need to click on effect at the bottom here. Then the next thing, I click on dual tone. Then I will need to choose the exact one I want to make use of. Let me choose this very particular one. Let me click on this. Then I click on it again. Then when we're having the shadow, you can see it has been changed to green. And if I want the green to be darker, I can still work on this. Now, this is it. I want it this way. I don't need to work on the highlight. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to click on T here. I click on T. Then I click on add a heading. To add text to it, then I will need to type AINT, okay? Then I will bring it here. Then another thing, I will need to change this very particular font to Gagaline. Then the next thing, I will click on the paint, on the end. I click on the font. Then I will need to search for Gagaline. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is it. I click on Gagaline. That is the font I want to make use of. Then I will need to increase it a little bit. Then the next thing, I will need to click on this. Then the color, I will change the color to red. I click on this dark red. I'm okay with it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to click on T here. At the bottom, I click on add the heading. Then I will type Ice Me. Okay. Then this Ice Me, I will change the font to Shrink Hand. I will choose this Shrink Hand. Okay. That is the font I want here. Then I will fix it here. Then the color of this Ice Me, I will come to the bottom here. I click on color. Then I will need to change this to this. That is what I want there. Now, I can still work on it. Okay, let me do it this way. Okay, I'm okay with it. Then another thing on this, let me bring it down a little bit. Therefore, this is how to go about this very particular logo design by using the brand icon of the profession. Then, after you might have done with this, then you come to the download icon at the upper side there. You click on it to have your logo downloaded. Then you click on download to have it downloaded on your device. That is how to go about this. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, comment at the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.